Hello beautiful people, I'm Quilling from SPJ Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Joy. Did you ever struggle with gift giving? Especially gift represent friendship. Well, I just find handmade gifts are the best gift to treasure because a handmade gift makes someone feel extra special. Because rather than giving a store-bought present, you choose to put your time to creating something. Without a doubt, the person who receives it will feel nothing but good vibes. In today's video, I'm gonna quill a yellow flower bouquet and frame it up to represent a gift. Because yellow is a symbol of friendship and joy. As yellow is still associated to the sun, yellow flower is the perfect choice for cheering someone up. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Oh, before we start, do subscribe my channel, please! Hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. And hit the like button for encouragement. Thank you! Before I start quilling, I like to sketch out before I start, just to have a clear idea on what my quilling will look like. Then, I will decide my color scheme. This time, my main color will be, of course, hue of yellow. I will start with the petals. This time, I will use the quilling comb to quill the petals. Create a hook and go around until my desired length. Do at least 5. And glue it together to create our first petal. Use corkboard and needle to pin the edge in place. And let the glue dry. Use a strip to wrap around. And slightly bend the tip to achieve a natural petal look. Now, it's time to combine the 5 petals to a flower. Here is a tip on how to make your flower look more treaty. Use a quilling round mold. Arrange your petal tip by facing the center of the round circle. After putting glue on the tip of petal, with the help of the mold, it naturally creates a slight depth to hold up the petals. Press it down and voila! Now it's time to quill the leaf. With the help of knitting board, arrange the pin accordingly and follow my pattern within the strips around the pins. Now, it's time to rearrange and check what we missed. I have 2 flat flowers and 1 pop-up to create a variation. By the way, I like how these leaves looking. Now, we need to quill the little decorative item to make it look more attractive. Now, I'm cutting tassel to create the center of the flower. Quill a teardrop coil to represent little flower bud. I have previously done a video on how to quill perfect basic shapes and include 5 tips and tricks as well. Do check it out by clicking the top right corner link. Glue it on the leaves to make it look more interesting. Now, quill some tight coil. Put it on the half ball making board to create a bulge to add on as decorative later on. Finally, we are ready to assemble the parts. Arrange the items, and when you are satisfied with the result, the final step is to just glue it in place. When we are done, add in the final touch ribbon. When it's dry, move the flower to a card to hold it in place, and you can frame it up and ready to wrap as a gift. So we are done with today's tutorial. I hope whoever you're giving, may your beautiful friendship always stays the same. Remember to subscribe my channel because the coming video I'll be doing a lot of flower quilling tutorial. So stay tuned. Well, how the happy time flies, now it's time to say goodbye.